Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add the task list to the calendar by Fantastical application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Then you should tap on this button in the upper left corner of the screen, click on tasks, tap on the new task button, and you should type in a task that you want to do, such as homework, and here it is added. If you tap on it, you can set a reminder, you can add the location, you can set the priority by these exclamation marks, you can make a list to and add your notes to the task. If you would like to, you can also delete it, and if you are done with it, just simply tap into the box and once a checkmark icon is put into the box, it means that it has been done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.